Ring, 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 ring.
Hello.
Hi, Daddy. Did you order your new phone?
Yeah, I just ordered the new Galaxy Samsung S23 Ultra. It should be coming here in about 10 days.
I'm right next to you.
What? Hey, hey, welcome to the show. Today in the show, we want to give some really cool news out there. We just ordered the Galaxy S23 Ultra.
We don't even have the dummy.
Yeah, we don't even have the dummy. Right here is the Galaxy S22 Ultra dummy, but we will be getting the dummy plus.
But this is the real S20.
Yes, this is the real S22 Ultra. We get a new phone every year to review for you, and we get a whole lot of phone cases. Right here is the Subcase series. This is one of our favorite series. And what we love to do with our cases is we put the Whitestone Dome Glass Protector on it. And here is the Whitestone Dome Glass Protector. Check this out. I love this. This is tempered glass, and it fits perfect with the Subcase Unicorn Beetle Pro. So make sure you check out our channel here in a couple weeks. We will be installing the Whitestone Dome Glass Protector.
And remember, this is not live.
Here, get that one right there. And Whitestone also has a phone case right here. This is the diamond case. So this is an exclusive event right now. We're going to be opening this up. So let's take a look here. It is the diamond case for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. And ooh, this is nice. Look at this.
Ooh, diamond.
Take a look at this.
But it's not diamond color.
So this right here says, please remove the protective film inside and outside the case. So, all right, we can do that. All right.
I want to do it.
You want to do it? Okay. While he's doing that, I just want to explain to you, when you get the Whitestone Dome Glass Protector, it comes in a really easy to install system.
Done.
So take a look at this right here. This has everything that you need to install your tempered glass onto your phone, and seriously, they make it easy, cheesy, lemon squeezy to install.
Like this.
Well, that's really cool. Look at that. He put the dummy unit in here. Hey, dummy. And you can definitely see the Samsung logo. This is really sharp. That is really cool. Look at that. Beautiful. And you can see that it has a beveled side along here.
Yeah, but...
And beveled side around the camera. Look at that. Get a close-up view of that. So if you take this and you put it on the counter, move it around, you're not going to scratch the camera lens or the camera, the screen. Loss of words today. But I'll tell you, I am happier than a dog with two tails because the new S23 Ultra will be arriving here. So make sure you hit the subscribe button because you don't want to miss one exciting show. We're going to have all kinds of tips and tricks. We're going to be installing
with new phones.
With the new phone, we're going to be installing the doing some tests with the Rode Lav.
And other companies, please send us other phones.
Send us cookies too. Don't forget the cookies.
Yes.
Hey. It's always a joy and a new adventure on here every single day. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the show. Hit that likey button.
Hit the subscribe button.
Yes, and like always, have a fun day. Adios. Goodbye.